What should you tell when you are buy new? Be more careful though you confide in her. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey KK squad, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you joined the KK squad. So this was not the look I was trying to get for this hairstyle. Epic fail, but the video must go on. I should have did it like a little smaller, the parts a little smaller, because for one, my hair is too thick for this 3 ponytail hairstyle. It should have been like 5 or so I have more hair at the top to just fill a mohawk look. But like I said, the video must go on. Anyways, so in this video I'll be doing a natural hair tag. Now this specific tag was created by another natural hair YouTuber. Her name is Kimberly Sherelle. A lot of people know her because she is popping in the natural hair community. So she tagged all us viewers and YouTubers to do this natural hair tag. So that's what I'll be doing in this video. Alright, so the first one is let them know your hair type. Honestly, I am not sure, but I'm just gonna let you know what I think. And in the front I have 4A type hair, and in the back I have 4B type hair. I'm not sure, but I'm just telling you what I think. You know, I've researched online and all of that. I'm not really into the different hair type, but what I've seen so far online, my match is 4A in the front and 4B in the back. Who is your current hair inspiration? There are so many, so it's really hard to choose just one, but I'll say All of Destiny. I just love her hair. I've been watching her since relaxed days, when she had relaxed hair and I was on a relaxed hair journey. Now she's natural, I'm natural, and I just love her hair. Also Chef B, I love her hair. I love her hairstyles that she does. She has a lot of different hairstyles on her channel, Chef B. Also Pretty Witty 77, Glam Twins, Kimberly Sherelle, I love your hair girl. The Chick Natural, love her hair, love her hairstyles. And You Love Megs, I also love her hair. There are so many. And also myself. Low porosity or high porosity. So I researched about the low porosity and high porosity. I still don't really understand 100%, but as far as I know and the signs that I'm getting with my hair and what I've read online, my hair is low porosity. Like the products just sit on top of my hair. I have to squeeze my hair to get water to soak in my hair, stuff like that. My hair holds moisture, but at the same time it just sits on my hair. Even when I do wash and goes, you see the product just sit on my hair. It doesn't soak in, but when it does, my hair holds moisture, if you know what I mean. It's weird, but so far that I know, it's low porosity. Deep conditioners, thick or slippery? Slippery. Slippery. Excuse me. Please me. Slippery all day, baby. Slippery. I love that slip. I love to feel that slip. I just love to feel my fingers slipping off my hair. My hair is already thick, so to have a thick deep conditioner on thick hair is too much. Twist out or braid out? I've never, well, one time. Braid outs all day. I've done twist out on my natural hair one time and that was a fail. I'm gonna try again though, but my hair was really short at the time, way shorter than this. So, but braid outs all day. I love braid outs. Wash and go or rod sets? Wash and go, because I've never done rod sets on my natural hair, only wash and goes. But when I had relaxed hair, I was the flexi rod queen. Like, flexi rod was like so simple, easy. Curls are bouncing everywhere. But I've never tried rod set on my natural hair. Hopefully soon. I'm just waiting to get a little more length, and then I'll try a rod set. But for right now, wash and go. Shower or sink? Sink. I wash my hair in the sink because I've tried washing my hair in the showers a couple of times and epic fail. My skin starts to itch. I'm so itchy in the shower. I'm so miserable. You see shampoo everywhere, conditioner everywhere, on the tile, on the bathroom tiles, like on the bathtub, hair everywhere stuck on the shower curtain, on the tiles, on the wall. It's just stress. When I wash my hair in the sink, my hair just goes one way. Everything goes one way. You don't see a big mess. You don't see shampoos everywhere, conditioner everywhere. You don't see my hair everywhere. No. Every time I'm like, all right, I'm gonna give the shower one more time, one more chance. Boom. Coming up itchy, like just, I don't know. I mean, if you do shower, that's fine, but for me, it does not work for me. It's a hot mess. Air dry or diffuser? Air dry. I just wash my hair and let it air dry, and that's it. Fleeky edges or as they are? Fleeky edges all day. Even when I'm having a bad hair day, like right now, edges gotta stay fleeky. I mean, I didn't do too much, but I gotta have fleeky edges even on bad hair days. Deep conditioners or oils? Deep conditioners. But in my deep conditioners, I use oils, so it's no difference. I add oils in all my deep conditioners. So deep conditioners with oils, both, I guess, both together. High bun or low bun? For me, high bun. I love high bun. I'll do low buns a few times, but I prefer high buns. High buns all day. I haven't got a chance to do a high bun since I did my big chop, but me personally, I just love my high buns. Bantu knots or finger coils? Finger coils. Yeah. Protective styles in the summer or winter? Protective styles all year round. Like, I don't have a specific time when I do protective styles, because guess what? It's always summer in Florida. For my Floridians, am I lying? Nah. Always summer in Florida. Bonnets or scarves? Bonnets. When I'm going to my bed, I put my bonnet on. And also, just a little hair tip, I use a silk pillowcase even when I'm wearing my silk bonnet cap, because you gotta protect those edges. Listen, it doesn't come all the way down, like probably for you, but mine doesn't come all the way down here, covering every single hair strand. So for years now, ever since I was relaxed, doing my relaxed hair journey, I've been using a silk pillowcase. That's all I use, no cotton, because cotton pillowcase dries out your hair and also dries out your face. Just make sure it's always clean. Make sure you wash it very often, or have more than one. I have more than one. Just a little hair tip with your bonnet or your scarf. Wide tooth comb or detangling brush? Wide tooth comb. Yeah. Finger detangling or brush? For me, it's finger detangling. Brush, I don't really use brush as often in my hair. It's just I don't know. I don't really use brush like that. If I'm doing a wash and go, I'll use the Denman brush, but not often. So finger detangling, I love to use mine. T-shirt or microfiber towel. T-shirts. I use a t-shirt to dry my hair after I'm done washing my hair. Just throw a t-shirt on and it soaks up all the water out of my hair. Cotton t-shirt. That's the only time I use cotton on my hair, to soak up the water after washing my hair. Gel versus no gel. Gel, 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 gel. My hair, I have to use gel. There have been a couple times I don't use gel, but that hairstyle only lasts a couple of hours. Length or health? For me, it's health, because everything comes with health. The length, the volume, the definition, everything comes with health. So for me, it's health. I want to have a healthy hair, and then everything else can come after because it comes with health, if you know what I mean. Side part or middle part? Side part. For me, side part. Plastic cap or plastic bag? Have I ever used a plastic bag? I don't remember using a plastic bag. Plastic caps. I use plastic caps. Plastic bags, I feel like it's gonna fall off, or I just don't know how to tie it on my head. I don't know. But I always have plastic caps, and that's what I prefer using. Even though sometimes right here, like these are the areas don't really get covered. Plastic cap. Plastic cap. So this is the end of my natural hair tag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, Kimberly Cheryl, for sharing this natural hair tag. I enjoyed it. I love it. Hopefully we have more tags for us natural hair YouTubers. It's really fun. So if you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much again for watching. Please to subscribe to my channel, and also please hit that bell to get notification when I post videos. I'm also gonna be doing notification shout out. I said that in my last video. No one participated, but hopefully someone does. I'm gonna be giving shout outs in my videos. Anyways, see you in my next upload. Bye.